The Lancia Florida was a concept car built on a Lancia Aurelia chassis and styled by Pininfarina in 1955. It appeared in 1955, and 4 of them were made, 1 2-door and 3 4-door sedans. The Florida had a radical squarish design with a full-width grille and decent tail fins. The spacious cabin featured large glass areas and a wraparound panoramic windshield. Like the standard Aurelia, the 4-door Florida Special had pillarless, opposed opening doors. All bodies were painted in a tasteful 2-tone color scheme. The modern pontoon-like looks of the Florida impressed and intrigued customers and car manufacturers alike. When Lancia came under new management in 1956, it was decided that the successor of the Aurelia should be based on the style and shape of the Florida show cars. This became the Lancia Flaminia, which was introduced in 1957. But it didn't stop there because other manufacturers contacted Pininfarina for similar sedan designs. This way, models like the Farina Saloons of BMC, Morris Oxford 5, Austin A55, Cambridge MK2, Riley 468, Wolseley 1560, and MG Magnet Mackie 3rd of 1959, the Fiat 1800 Ting 2100 to 2300 Berlinas of 1959, a Mario Boano design under Pininfarina supervision, and the Peugeot 404 of 1960 came on the market. The new style of the Florida influenced European car design for decades to come and established Pininfarina as one of the most important styling studios.